Millions of Americans have submitted DNA samples to ancestry and genealogy services, hoping to learn more about their family history. But scammers have found a darker use for this deeply personal data. Consumer protection agencies warn that genetic data is among the most sensitive personal information, and when misused, it can fuel extortion and blackmail. This leads to a chilling question many victims ask. Can scammers blackmail me with DNA test results? The answer is yes, and ancestry blackmail and DNA secret exploitation are emerging threats tied to trust in genealogy platforms. In this video, we'll explain how cybercriminals exploit these services, common red flags associated with these scams, and ways you can protect yourself while looking into your family lineage. From family secrets to digital code, how DNA testing changed privacy forever. Blackmail using family secrets is not new. Historically, criminals exploited adoption records, hidden parentage, or inheritance disputes to exert control. What changed is scale. With the rise of consumer DNA testing in the early 2010s, deeply personal biological data became digitized, searchable, and sometimes shared beyond users' expectations. Ancestry and genealogy platforms encourage connections between relatives, often revealing unknown family links. Academic research has shown that DNA databases can unintentionally expose sensitive family relationships, including misattributed parentage. This was the case for the American biotechnology company 23andMe. In October 2023, hackers were able to gain access to approximately 14,000 accounts. However, using the platform's DNA relatives feature, they were able to access identifiable information of roughly 6.9 million users. The emergence and popularity of these DNA testing services have created new opportunities for family history extortion, where scammers often weaponize perceived secrets rather than verified facts. Weaponized genetics. How scammers exploit DNA. Today, criminals exploit genealogy platforms, data breaches, and public family trees to craft believable threats. Data harvested from breaches and public profiles is frequently used to personalize extortion scams, increasing credibility and fear. While reputable DNA companies restrict access to raw genetic data, scammers do not need actual DNA results. They rely on claims, partial information, or fabricated reports to intimidate victims. The National Human Genome Research Institute confirms that misinterpretation and misuse of genetic data pose real risks, even when the information is incomplete. Criminals may threaten to reveal alleged non-paternity, unknown siblings, or health risks, even without proof, counting on emotional shock to drive compliance. Identity under threat. The emotional power of genetic blackmail. DNA secret exploitation is dangerous because it strikes at identity, family trust, and emotional stability. Victims may fear devastating consequences, marital conflict, family estrangement, or social stigma, even when claims are false. The American Psychological Association notes that threats involving family identity can trigger intense stress and anxiety responses, impairing rational decision-making. This emotional vulnerability allows scammers to demand money, silence, or continued engagement, often escalating threats over time. False helixes and fake findings. Red flags of DNA-based extortion. Ancestry blackmail schemes commonly include these red flags. Claims of possessing DNA test results without verification. Threats to expose family secrets unless paid. Requests for secrecy and urgency. Vague or inconsistent details about genetic findings. Demands for payment through untraceable methods. Remember, legitimate genetic discoveries do not arrive via blackmail messages. Protecting your genetic identity. Steps to take if DNA is used against you. If you are threatened with a genealogy scam or family history extortion, take these steps immediately. Pause and assess. Emotional shock is part of the scam. Do not comply with demands. Payments increase leverage. Preserve all evidence. Save messages, emails, and profiles. Do not block the scammer. Blocking can erase evidence and provoke retaliation. Secure your accounts. Review privacy settings on genealogy and social platforms. Report the crime. File a report with IC3 and your local law enforcement. Contact private cybersecurity firms that specialize in sextortion and extortion response, evidence preservation, and digital privacy protection. Your genes are not a weapon. Reclaiming control over your DNA story. Your DNA tells a story, but it should never be used as a weapon against you. Ancestry blackmail often relies on fear, misinformation, and silence, not legitimate science. Understanding the tactic restores control. Help is available, and you do not have to face this alone. If you find yourself faced with ancestry blackmail, you can trust the team at Blackmail.HelpLine. Our experts have seen scams like this before, and they know how to identify, preserve, and present evidence to support your case. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com to get the professional assistance you need today.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.